Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're taking a look at what we believe is the best 4-slot toaster available right now. The Elite Gourmet ECT-3100 long slot 4-slice toaster. If you've been hunting for a toaster that blends performance, versatility, and style, stick around, because this one might just end your search. Let's start with what sets it apart. The ECT-3100 features extra-wide toasting slots, which means it doesn't just toast standard sandwich bread. You can easily slide in thick slices of Texas toast, fluffy bagels, and even specialty artisan breads. The long slot design is especially helpful if you're dealing with odd-shaped slices that just won't fit into traditional toasters. Next up, browning control. This toaster offers 6 adjustable toasting levels, which lets you choose exactly how you want your toast, whether you're someone who just wants a light warm-up or you like it deep golden and crunchy. This level of customization is something often missing in other toasters in this price range. Let's talk features. This toaster isn't just about looks and size, it's built with practicality in mind. One of its most appreciated touches is the reheat function. If your toast has gone cold, there's no need to toast it all over again and risk burning it. Just tap the reheat button, and it gently warms the bread at a lower temperature. Now, if you've ever had to scramble to pull your toast out mid-cycle to stop it from burning, the cancel button will be your new best friend. It immediately halts the toasting process, allowing you to pop out the bread right away. It's simple, intuitive, and can save a breakfast from going wrong. Here's where the Elite Gourmet really separates itself from standard toasters: the retractable warming rack. This is such a smart feature. It pops up above the slots and gives you the perfect place to warm up pastries like croissants, rolls, buns, or even pita bread. It turns the toaster into a mini warming station without adding bulk or complexity. The build quality is solid too. With a combination of stainless steel and black finish, it looks sleek and modern on any kitchen counter. The metal body gives it a sturdy feel, and it's easy to wipe clean. The controls are analog, with clearly marked dials and buttons that make operation straightforward and satisfying. Its dimensions are quite practical, just over 14.5 inches wide and a little under 8 inches high, so it doesn't take up excessive counter space. It's compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens, but still robust enough to handle 4 slices at once, which is great for families or anyone hosting brunch. As for compatibility, just keep in mind that this is a 120-volt unit, which means if you're using it outside the US, you'll need a voltage converter. But if you're in the US, it's plug and play right out of the box. So to wrap it up, the Elite Gourmet ECT-3100 long slot 4-slice toaster brings a ton of value to the table. With wide slots, versatile features like reheat and cancel, a unique warming rack, and a clean, stylish design, it's hard to beat in this category. If you're looking to upgrade your breakfast game or need a toaster that does more than just toast, this could be the perfect fit. That's why here on Product Critique, we're naming it the best 4-slot toaster on the market today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to critique next.